Man, so my dad's about to take a ride in my car. He hasn't been in it since I did the secondary cat delete, so this should be good. Where this man at? Oh, you can hear all that secondary cat sound, so you do it to yours.
Oh man, come on, man, don't do all that.
No, you do it to yours, man. There you go. I told you, you don't know how to sit down.
You don't know how to sit down?
You don't know how to sit down. I wouldn't sit down either if I had one.
He gonna stop in a minute. Y'all gonna be hanging with each other. That one is the older.
I don't know.
Probably a little older, but he still, you can seem like a young cat.
Yeah. It ain't that bad, man.
Oh, that's cool.
The first time I pulled up in the sunroof a little bit, I ain't got it all the way up, but you know I got the little.
Seem like something wrong with something.
It's like the gas left in the exhaust.
You don't do that because you downshifted it, or?
Yeah, it's like I forgot like exactly how it happens, but it's something that got to do like excess fuel left inside the pipes. It feel good out of that. The last couple of days I've been out of ride my window. Basically let you off at the front door, right?
Yeah.
Or you
can let me off right here if you want.
I just park
turn around and park right there.
Okay. I don't think he rock with the crackles. It's not that much harder to get in your car though.
No, it's a little easier but still low. Baby want his jump like track mode. But here, yours, he gonna like that. I gotta take your car down there and let him see it. We down that way.
He wanna do track mode, boy. The way how he talking about he want his jump sound. I say he might as well get electric cutouts to turn it on and off whenever he want to. Electric cutouts really like the way I feel like you should go. Honestly. It's kind of like this, but you cut off right at the end. I don't know. Oh, this one first time open. This boy open. It's like something right here. Hold on. What's that? Is that like a wind guard too?
I think so. Or something. It's keep so much wind, I think, from coming in.
Yeah. That jump pretty slick.
When you go all the way back, do they come all the way up further? Or?
What you mean?
go a little higher?
No, I push you all the way back.
Okay.
When they go all the way back, that little thing pop up. I've been seeing that on like the Chargers and stuff too. When they got like the sunroof up, you can see the little net. But yeah.
It's real nice though, Tam. I like it.
Appreciate it, man. We just gotta get it right on your vet.
Yeah, we'll break it out. We can good with that. I like how all this black too. Sometimes this little piece right here be gray or something. That's pretty cool.
I wiped that stuff off that was on the car when I had got it from the dealership. You remember that little white stuff? It came right off.
Yeah, I gotta still get. I don't like this drip right here.
Now that's from something else. I think that's from when I had washed the car, and I think when I rolled the windows, some of the water.
I don't know, cause I thought I saw that.
I don't know, cause I thought me and Benito wiped that off. I thought that just got back.
We'll try it one day. It might just be permanent.
I don't think it's permanent though.
It should come off.
Cause that came off. I gotta get it. I gotta hit it again.
It's the same leather that's in mine, color and everything. I think they had this painted.
That's the add-on part I did. You know.
Did a good job.
It's time to eat though.
You did a good job, bro.
It's time to eat. Thanks.
I want to ride nighttime so I can see this light up too.
Yeah, it get real bright at night.
I like the lights, how bright they go in the front and stuff. It's 2 bulbs I want you to change in the back.